This rumor spread that the vaccines encode for a protein that attacks this certain protein important for placental attachment. And is that true? Absolutely not. Unequivocally false. Right. The vaccines themselves do not encode for this protein. The spike protein of the coronavirus that they actually encode for looks nothing like this. And after over 250 million doses in the United States, we have not seen a shred of evidence that this is true. On the contrary, we have actually seen no issues with fertility in the clinical trials with both Pfizer and Moderna. The exact same number of people that got vaccinated or did not get vaccinated ended up getting pregnant. There was 18 in both arms, and there was no issues reported with any of these pregnancies.
Right.
And then on top of that, say you get pregnant, should you get vaccinated? Well,
yes.
Exactly. So for one, if you are pregnant and you get COVID-19, your risk for bad outcomes actually goes up. And
if I can jump in on that, and bad outcomes meaning if you are pregnant and you get COVID, your risk of being admitted to the intensive care unit and needing a ventilator to breathe is much, much higher for a woman your age who's not pregnant. And you can imagine the risk that would have to your unborn baby if you are in an intensive care unit. So we see both pregnancy effects with COVID infection for pregnant women and bad effects on their babies. They're born too early, they're born too small. So that's another, sorry to jump in, but that's another important reason why not only is the vaccine safe, but we know COVID is bad if you're pregnant and you get the infection.
Right, and so after the vaccines were deployed, we've been using different registries through vSafe, which is patient reporting side effects. We've been doing the VAER system, so that's if physicians see any side effects, we report them. And scientists have followed tens of thousands of pregnant patients who've gotten the mRNA vaccines, and they saw that there was absolutely no safety signals. There was no risk for things like miscarriages or stillbirths, and there was no risk for things like preterm labor, birth defects, birth anomalies, anything like that. So these vaccines have been shown to be safe. They've been, again, over 250 million doses that we've been given, and they give pregnant patients protection against bad outcomes.